In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Wix account with popular tools like Zapier or QuickBooks to effortlessly automate the syncing of your sales data. This integration is designed to save you time and reduce manual errors by streamlining your workflow. Whether you're using Wix for an e-commerce site or as a service platform, having an efficient method to handle your sales data is essential. First, let's explore the tools you can use for this integration. Zapier is a versatile application that connects different software by using automated workflows called zaps. On the other hand, QuickBooks offers a more direct approach, especially if you are focused on financial management and bookkeeping. Both tools are widely adopted and cater to different organizational needs, so the choice ultimately depends on your specific workflow requirements. To begin, you'll need to connect your Wix account with the integration tool of your choice. For Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you're new to Zapier, signing up is straightforward. Once you're logged in, choose Wix as your trigger app. The trigger denotes an event in Wix, such as a new sale, that initiates the automation. After selecting Wix, you'll be prompted to choose your trigger event. This action essentially tells Zapier when to act. For example, you might choose to trigger an automation each time a new purchase is made on your Wix site. Be sure to carefully grant permissions as needed to ensure Zapier can access your Wix account data securely. Next, it's time to set up the action. This is the function your chosen tool will perform when the trigger event occurs. Let's say your goal is to send each new sale from Wix into QuickBooks for bookkeeping. Within Zapier, specify QuickBooks as the action app and choose the action such as Create Sales Receipt. You'll need to authenticate your QuickBooks account within Zapier if you haven't done so already. If you're using the QuickBooks Wix app directly, the process is slightly more streamlined but follows the same principles. You'll first need to install the Wix app for QuickBooks. Once installed, log into your QuickBooks account and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Wix store. This usually involves simply allowing the two applications to access each other's data and setting permissions. No matter which tool you prefer, it's important to test the integration to ensure everything works correctly. Within Zapier, there's a handy test feature that allows you to simulate the process using sample data. For QuickBooks, try syncing a transaction manually to confirm the integration is seamless. Once satisfied with the test results, you can activate your integration. From now on, each sale from your Wix site should automatically sync with QuickBooks or any other specified application, reducing the need for manual data entry and minimizing errors. Remember, automating these processes not only saves you time but also empowers you to focus more on growing your business. So, set up your integration today and enjoy the ease of automated data syncing.